Hi, I'm Anand Man. I'm the Community Connector at CDA Hearts Community Development Action, and we're hosting events to connect with the communities. It's all about health and well-being, also celebrating cultural diversity. And the whole experience that we want for this is to allow communities to access services, to support communities, enable communities, and allow them to have a safe space as a platform to voice their opinions, building better partnerships.
Hi, I'm Nishal. I'm the chair of Rainbow Services and the president of the local Hindu Society. Here at Connected Communities, I'm looking forward to meeting different communities, engaging and connecting with them. Also seeing what we can do as a collective, not just as a Hindu, but also as various different organizations, on what we can do together to make sure the minority communities are connected within the wider community and they're very engaged and able to access services.
There's 28 grams of carbohydrates per 100 grams of rice, which is equivalent to this much sugar when you eat 100 grams of rice.
My name is Munir Ali and I'm a type 2 diabetes lifestyle coach. I'm here today at the Holywell Community Centre in Watford talking about diabetes and increasing the level of awareness around type 2 diabetes to the community. Events like this are immensely important. Accessing information around health and well-being is very difficult to get around, and bringing talks and services like this into the heart of the community benefits the individuals because it's close to their homes, easy for them to get out, and it's a nice community environment and feel. And it's a very relaxed environment as well. And everybody gets involved in it and it makes it interesting and fun. Like today we had a dance workshop, boxing workshop. It's connecting, and that's what it's called, connected communities. It's the easiest way to talk to and get in front of people and making it part of their journey for better health.
I have been asked a whole lot of questions for maintaining the health. They needed the data to collect some information about the local people. How do they feel about these communities and their services? So I wanted to take part in it. It is very important because the government is funding a lot of services and they need to know what the communities are thinking about the services and how well they are getting benefited.
So my name's Emma and I'm the Transformation Lead for Hertfordshire Division at CLCH. We provide adult community services across Hertfordshire. We have quite a large Reducing Inequalities programme. It's really important for us to understand our local communities in how we deliver our services and how we shape the services that we offer to the community. Coming to events like this, it's important for us to speak to our local communities, understanding what's important to them in terms of how they access NHS services, so we can prioritise that in delivering services to the local area. It's also really important for us to network and understand other organisations so we can work together collaboratively.
So where do you get support with your wellbeing?
I would say family and friends,
Yeah.
The local community group,
Yeah.
a GP.
Services can be tailored to those who may want to access them, but not be able to access them because the organisations just simply don't understand what they're looking for specifically. It might be the same thing, but it just might be, how do you make that approach? How do you tailor that service slightly so it means that they can get the service they need?
So my name is Becky Walls and I've been invited here today to illustrate as many testimonials, ideas and insight from the event. It's a really good way to capture what's going on in a visual way. Illustrating in this way, it means that the ideas that are captured are very accessible, and once the event is over, those visuals can then be shared and sent to the people that might be making decisions going forward and can really read and understand what people are feeling needs to improve and how to improve those services that are available.
My name is Daniel Ofoe. I am a health improvement advisor from the Hertfordshire County Council. The reason I'm here today is to offer some health information to the people of this community. Health professionals are doing their best to help people. The people on the other side also have valuable information that can be used to improve this care that we give. So occasions like this really help to bring out some of those key things to help even the service itself as well as the residents.
Culture and community influences each other in various ways. Culture shapes the norms, traditions and values within a community.
I'm involved in today's session as a speaker. I will be speaking about my experiences as a Hindu in the town and what we can do as a community and other organisations can do to allow that access into community.
With ongoing dialogue and partnership between community leaders and local authorities would ensure that everyone, irrespectively of their backgrounds, has equal access to services. It's not just said it's equal access, needs to be made into equal access.
So being here part of the community is just giving people that space to feel quite empowered, but actually be active. So we have a guy who's here to do boxing, so people are active, they're moving around, so it makes young children or families start being together, and that's what we want, connect the community.
I'm Hannah from Hummingbird Cancer Support Group. I'm here at the Connected Communities event today. These kind of events are really useful for communities because actually it's about going out and meeting them in the places rather than relying on people coming to the services. For us, this is about awareness, it's about interaction, it's about engagement, and it's about that all-important community connection, connected communities.
Hard to reach communities. They're not hard to reach at all. It depends on how you do it. It's a two-way conversation. If you need them, reach out to them, and it's simple as that. They will come to you if you ask them.
I think we have to conduct more such events during the summertime so that makes people to come out of their house and to meet other communities living locally.
The what next question, how do we go from this? How do we become better? So we're hoping this is a platform for more events to happen, connection with wider communities, foster relationships and connections, enable communities to have a platform for being more heard.
Thank you very much to Sue and Anne, who have worked tirelessly for the last 3-4 months long, putting this a round of applause for those. They really have not slept to put these 3 events on, and it's really appreciated. An incredible event, and let's just do it again.
Thank you for interviewing me. It's an opportunity to share my ideas.